Hi everyone, my name is Lynn, and today we are going to be going over the basic features of ConnectMLS. So we are going to start at bridgemls.com, and at the top right corner, we are going to select MLS Login. Now this is going to bring us to our membership dashboard, where you will also see all of your applications that are available to you with your MLS membership. So we are going to select Connect MLS. And this is going to bring us to our ConnectMLS home screen, where you'll see all of your activity widgets. And all of this can be arranged to your liking in your settings, which I'm going to show you how to do. One new feature that I want to bring to your attention is where it says nearby listings. This is a new feature that we have added within ConnectMLS, where you can create a search based on where you are physically located, whether that be you have your physical location activated within your device, or you can plug in a specific address that you want to use as your center location, and it will show you all listings available in the close proximity of that address. But we're going to go ahead and move forward with customizing our home screen and all of our profile options in ConnectMLS. So if you select here, and also keep in mind that your home screen may look a little bit different from this, but that is because you have the ability to set your customizations the way you want. So we're going to go ahead and select the initials here, which will either be your initials or a photo once you upload a photo to your profile. So your initials will be at the top right, and we're going to use that to access our settings. So this is going to bring you to your settings page where you can customize all of your information in ConnectMLS. So the top thing you will see is your business card. Your business card is basically all of the information that one would see if you are being searched in ConnectMLS. So you can modify your contact information, add any website links, or anything that you see available here that you would like to share about yourself. And this is where you would put that information. You can also modify your resume or your bio. This is information that would show in your CMA reports that you send to your clients. And you can add all of the highlights of yourself in this area. You can do other things like set your prospecting defaults, create any email templates you would like to use if you're sending emails to clients for listings within ConnectMLS. You can set your search and report details, client portal, a host of different options. And here, skipping right along, you would also be able to modify your homepage layout. So this is basically where you could move your widgets around and designate how you would like your ConnectMLS home screen to appear when you log in. So also, I want to show you, we have a lot of different items in our toolbar here at the top. So um, I want to start by showing you can also edit how your toolbar shows up. If you want to have um, less items up here or more, you can do so by editing your toolbar shortcuts. Um, You can also see here we have a help tab. This is where you can access any little help information for the smart bar. If you want to see video tutorials, if you want to contact Bridge MLS, It brings up the information for Bridge MLS where you can contact us, send us emails. Um, so that is something that is available to you there. If you are working if you are working in a workspace, this is considered a workspace, and maybe you get a call from a client that has a question and wants you to look at something, look at a listing right away, but you don't want to stop what you're doing and what you're working on at that current moment. You can open a new workspace, and that is going to bring you a new page of ConnectMLS. As soon as it loads here, it's going to bring up a second page of ConnectMLS. And here you can, start your new conversation with your client on the phone and just basically help them out. And once you are done, you can go back to that previous ConnectMLS home screen and it will pick up right back where you left off. You also have in your toolbar access to your tools and resources. You can access any tax, search any tax information. We have your service partners. So service partners is maybe you've worked with different home, maybe you've worked with a specific home warranty provider or an appraisal person, appraiser that liked how they work and you would like to vouch for their business. And maybe you have a client that is looking for those specific partners. You can share their information with your clients. So this is basically where you build that Rolodex, that trusted Rolodex that you would like to share with your clients in the future. So we have this. If you want, you can add new um, service partners, um, and this is where you would store them. You also, if you see this little star here, this is where you would save all of your favorite listings. So if I click on this, um, this is going to bring up any listings that I've looked at recently that maybe I liked and I wanted to refer back to quickly. So we have our prospecting tab. And just keep in mind, this toolbar is going to be accessible no matter what screen you are in. So if you, right now we're in the favorite screen, I could just simply toggle back and forth with any of these options in the toolbar from wherever I am working at currently. So we have our prospecting list where you will see any searches that you may have set up for your potential clients or not potential clients, for the clients you have. This is where you would see all of the listings, or excuse me, all of the automatic searches you have set up, and or saved searches you have to your specific clients in this list here. You will also see here that there's expiration dates attached to them. So if you have any that maybe have already expired, maybe you want to extend their expiration date or revisit that particular search for that client, make any modifications to it and restart it again, you can do that here. Um, Here you can see we have your clients. So this is where you could add any potential clients or specifically go to pull up any clients that you want to take a look at. We have our transactions widget. So, or excuse me, icon where you can um, look at any potential transactions or any transactions you have currently working on. Um, it will show up here. And this is, you can, jump into those transactions and kind of edit and modify them if you need to. Here in the middle, we have our smart bar. The smart bar is like a Google search for ConnectMLS. You can search for specific agents. You can search for listings, addresses. If you have an MLS number, you can put that in. So it's very a very good tool. You can also search any search history. So if I click into this smart bar, it's going to bring a list of all of the searches that I've searched over the past. And I think it goes as far as 8 months. So you can scroll down and view all of your search history for the past 8 months. So that is a very good tool that is within ConnectMLS. We have access to all of your forms you may need, reports. You can manage or create CMA reports. Um, a lot of different things that you can, any reports that you can access. It's all here under this drop down. You can add or manage your listings. You can either edit edit listing details. You can jump around to the specific fields in your listings that you want to edit, or you can simply go to view and manage listings, and that's going to bring up all of your listings that you can go in and modify. We have the search tab. The search tab is going to um, be this magnifying glass here, and you can do a general search. You can search by address, map search. You can search by MLS number. So all of these are just basically specific search ways of searching, but you can also access all of these um, ways of searching by simply doing a general search. You can also search specifically by tours or listings that are on tour or listings that have open houses coming up. You can do a tax search. You can search company inventory and agent membership. So I'm just going to go ahead and click general search just so you can see what the search screen looks like. So here's where you would build your search criteria, and you can input um, any type of searches you like, whether it be residential, lots and lands, or you can do a cross property search that will bring up all listing class in a specific criteria. Here on the right, you can see that there are some saved searches here. So any searches that you create in this search screen will automatically save here to the left. Okay, so that concludes this segment of the basic features of ConnectMLS. Thank you for watching.